Understanding apparent outcome, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, apparent outcome. This phrase is not just about individual words, but how they come together to convey a specific meaning. So, let's dive in and unravel the nuances of this phrase together. The phrase, apparent outcome, consists of two words, apparent and outcome. First, let's understand them individually. Apparent generally means something that is clear or obvious, but it can also imply something that seems to be true but may not be. Outcome refers to the result or consequence of an action or event. When combined, apparent outcome typically refers to a result that seems obvious or is expected to happen based on the current situation. Understanding a phrase is easier with examples. Let's see how apparent outcome can be used in sentences. After the team's outstanding performance, their victory was the apparent outcome. The apparent outcome of the experiment matched our predictions. Despite the initial challenges, the project's success was an apparent outcome. In these examples, apparent outcome is used to describe a result that is either clearly seen or expected. While using apparent outcome, be cautious not to confuse it with apparent, used in the sense of something seeming true but not necessarily being so. For instance, saying, the apparent outcome was his resignation, can imply that it seemed like he would resign, but it's not certain. To enhance your vocabulary, it's helpful to know synonyms or similar phrases. For apparent outcome, you could use obvious result, expected conclusion, predictable outcome. Each of these carries a slightly different nuance but can be used in similar contexts. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of apparent outcome. Remember, the beauty of language lies in understanding not just words but the ideas they express when combined. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use apparent outcome in your conversations and writings. See you in our next video, and happy learning!